Hey, what's up guys? So I'm going to teach you how to take apart and fix an out the front automatic knife. Now what's wrong with this one is after I shot it up to eject the blade, something happened and now it doesn't want to go back down. What I'm guessing is the little lever in here, maybe it broke off, maybe it just slipped up under the body of it here, but we're going to find out. So what I have here first is just an Allen wrench, so I can start taking all these off here. It loosens up. There we go. Alright, now all the screws are out. So now we can take this off. Let's see what. Yep, and that's what I was afraid of. See this little deal here is supposed to have a lever on it. Or maybe I can get some better light here. Right here. It's broken off. It's what uses this here to slide and lock the blade. I'm sure if you've seen me trying to turn my out the front knife to a ballistic knife, you've probably seen this before. But there's supposed to be a lever here that this little tab here can slide in and pull it around. So now I'm gonna have to find a new piece to fix that maybe. I don't know if they just sell this stuff separately. I might just have to use this one for parts now, because here's this one, which is the out the front one that I took apart to change into or try to attempt to change into a ballistic knife, but I guess this one here can just be parts for this one now if I break anything on this one. They do have different blades. This one's still it's a different blade than this, but they all work the same. But that's the problem. It's just broken, so I guess there ain't much I can do about it now. Unless I could maybe put on a tiny little tack weld on something, but that'd be kind of hard to do with how small that piece is. Just to get a little tab on there so it'd be able to slide in and down. Okay, see this? Maybe if I pull on this, try to cut myself. There we go. That's what releases the blade. And then all this slides down. But I guess I was able to show you how to take one apart. But there ain't much I can do about it now since it's broken. I was hoping this piece had just slid down or something came loose, but that's not what happened. Thanks for watching.